Today we are visiting Shuf Nature Reserve and we will see the Lebanese cedar trees. They are a big deal to Lebanon. Just look at their flag. The trees grow really slowly and their wood is valuable, durable, and has a smell that lasts long. Let's go! Good thing is, to get there we have to drive inland, and inland means Mount Lebanon mountain range.
So it was Ottoman people living there before a long time. And in this village you see mosque and church and synagogue, small village. It is now this Maronite village, Christian Maronite.
At our third stop, we arrived at a village that has a mosque, a Maronite church, and a synagogue. 3 religions in one small village. Our driver told us we could go up some stairs to get a view of the village. There we met this lady. She spoke French to us, and I love speaking a language that I don't really speak. We also made a stop at an old courthouse. We've got to leave, we still want to see the cedar trees. Ja, han skal få skjerf. Veldig kul. Lebanese food is exciting and fun, but for me it is great to go back to what I'm used to. We went to Crapaway, and we knew exactly what we wanted to have. That one. And this one, best dessert ever. Brownie inside a berry-soaked crepe with white chocolate dipped in melted chocolate. I almost cried when I first had it. So, as shown in another video, traffic is crazy here. I wanted to show how hard it is to cross the streets. Kan prøve å krysse her når det blir grønt. Det litt grønt. Å, nå det rødt. Det var grønt. Å, nei!
Der stopper det faktisk foran fotgjengerfeltet.
Den der... Betyr det... Ja, David! Today is our second to last day in Lebanon. Our adventure is almost to an end, but today we are doing what many tourists do. We are visiting the famous JEITA Grotto, one of the world's oldest towns, Biblos, and see Our Lady of Lebanon at Harissa.
Dictator Saddam Hussein. That's his son, he owns this hotel. But it was two brothers, it was killed during the war in Iraq. Now his sister, she owned it.
This is JEITA Grotto. First attraction is taking the cable car up to the upper grotto. But it's not allowed to take pictures inside. It's to protect the caves. There were special lockers for cameras, so no one took pictures. But I took some pictures of this brochure I got. It looks much better than on the pictures. The caves are huge. They're stuffed with stalagmites and stalactites and other salt formations. The ceiling was far up and we could not even see the bottom. I've been to caves before, but these were far more impressive. After visiting the upper grotto, the train took us to the lower grotto. A boat waited for us. The boat took us through the cave, through clear and clean water. We had to lower our heads so it didn't bang them into the rocks. We saw the Leaning Tower of Pisa, a cathedral, and a camel's head. Well, the formations looked like them. It was too bad I couldn't film, but it was a great experience and I would recommend you to go. This is Biblos. Biblos is one of the cities that claims the title of the oldest town in the world. It is said that people have lived here for 9,000 years. We spent time at the ruins of a town from about 2000 years BC. Do we have time to swim? Yeah, we do. After pulling my jeans on my half-dry and sandy legs, a Coke tasted great. Now we're on our way to Harissa.
bra. Jag tycker så.
Musiken passar sig.
Ja.
After living here for a month, I have experienced that Lebanon really is a country of contrasts. There are 18 official religions. There are churches next to mosques. Poor people live next to rich people. At private high schools, kids wear t-shirts of $700, while other kids sell stuff on the streets. Weather-wise, there are big contrasts. Just watch my video. We're making a snowman in the mountains, and at an hour drive I swim in the ocean. I love to see new natural landscapes, from the flattest valley to mountains of 3,000 meters. In Lebanon, I have felt super welcome and safe. If you would like to visit the Middle East someday, I think Lebanon is a good place to start. Just know where you are and where you should not go, be aware of your surroundings, and you will love the experience. Thank you for watching!